stop sign is used on a road that crosses a main highway or a through street. The stop sign is a red octagon with white letters and border. Always come to a full stop at a stop sign. Once stopped, you must yield the right-of-way to pedestrians or other vehicles in or approaching the intersection. The location of a stop sign or stop line indicates where to make a legal stop. If there is only a stop sign, stop before entering the intersection. Stop where you can see approaching traffic, but stop before you reach any crosswalk. A regulatory sign, such as a stop sign and a one-way sign, controls traffic. Regulatory signs tell you about laws that you must obey. Regulatory signs are used to direct traffic to turn or go straight, direct one-way traffic, control parking and passing. Signs with red words on white or white words on red usually tell what not to do. Black-lettered words usually tell what you can do. The red circle and slash indicate that a certain action is prohibited. A warning sign can help you avoid surprise situations. Most warning signs are diamond-shaped. Warning signs have black symbols or lettering on a yellow background. Yellow diamond-shaped signs warn of danger ahead. Be prepared to slow or stop when you see a warning sign. A school crossing sign shows children in a crosswalk area. This sign is posted near intersections or crossings used by children. A round yellow sign with a black X and two R's warn of a railroad crossing ahead. This sign is posted about 250 feet before a railroad crossing in an urban area. A railroad crossing sign is posted about 750 feet before a railroad crossing in a rural area. The crossing itself may be marked by a white crossbuck sign. A driver must treat the crossbuck sign as a yield sign and flashing lights as a stop sign. A green light indicates that you can proceed only if the intersection is clear. When approaching a green light, check traffic to the left, front, and right before entering the intersection. When approaching a light that has been green for some time, be prepared for the light to turn yellow. The green light will be mounted at the bottom or to the right of the traffic signal. Make every effort to stop safely for a yellow light. Sometimes you might be too close to stop safely when a yellow light appears. You will then have to proceed with caution. The yellow light will appear in the center of the traffic signal. You must come to a full stop at a red light. Stop behind the stop line, crosswalk, or before entering the intersection if no stop lines are used. The red light will be mounted at the top or to the left side of the traffic signal. Pedestrian signals are used to coordinate traffic and pedestrians waiting to cross the road. While traffic light is green, the pedestrian signal will read, "Don't walk." While the light is red, the pedestrian signal will say, "Walk." Watch as the pedestrian safely crosses the street.
The lights go on, the lights go on.
A traffic light arrow is similar to a regular traffic light in the sense that red means stop, yellow means slow, and green means go. If there is a green arrow pointing left, you may turn left. If the arrow is red, however, you cannot turn left. If the arrow is yellow, you may turn with caution. A yellow line in the center of the road separates traffic moving in opposite directions. A white line in the center of the road separates lanes moving in the same direction. If a line, either white or yellow, is dashed, you are allowed to pass. If the line is half dashed, half solid, you are only allowed to pass on the side that contains the dashed line. If the line is solid, there is no passing allowed. Watch as the car on the right continues straight on a road with a solid yellow line, in which there is no passing permitted.
When things don't feel right.